Experiencing call failed or service error on your Boost mobile phone? It's often due to network congestion, SIM card problems, APN settings, or account issues. First, ensure you have a strong signal of at least 2 to 3 bars and a positive account balance. Try toggling airplane mode or restarting your phone. This often resolves temporary glitches. If the problem persists, check your APN settings in Settings, Network and Internet, Mobile Network, Access Point Names. The correct APN is boost.internet. Ensure you're not roaming outside of Boost's coverage area. These quick steps resolve most common call failure problems, but if problems persist, proceed to advanced steps. When basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve your Boost mobile call issues, advanced steps can help identify and fix the problem. First, ensure your phone supports Voice over LTE, or VoLTE. This technology enables high-quality calls over 4G networks. Older phone models without VoLTE support can cause call failures. Next, update your phone's operating system and the Boost mobile app. As of August 2025, the latest app version is 4.2.1. These updates often include important fixes for connectivity and call issues. The Boost mobile app includes an AI-powered diagnostic tool that can automatically detect common issues and provide fixes. This tool helps resolve many connectivity problems without needing to contact support. Enable Wi-Fi calling in your phone's settings. This feature lets you make and receive calls using Wi-Fi when your cellular signal is weak or unavailable, ensuring reliable communication. If issues persist, contact Boost Mobile Support at 1-888-BOOST-99 or visit a store location. They can check your device's IMEI status for any lock issues and provide additional assistance. Consistent call failures might point to a faulty SIM card. If you suspect this, contact Boost Support for a replacement SIM card. They can also verify your device's IMEI information during the check.